Hello, dear kids. Today we will start our new lesson Animals Shelter. Dear kids, in last lesson I explained you about so many types of animals. Now you are familiar with all that animal, but these animals need shelter. So in this lesson we will study where all these types of animals take their shelters. Before that, we will study that why do we need houses? You know, dear kids, we all live in houses. Yes or no? Why do we need house? When there is very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, and heavy rainfall. This cause us great discomfort. So our house protect us from them. So we live in house to protect ourselves from them. A house also protect us from thieves. Some people live very close to forest. काही लोक फॉरेस्टच्या जंगलाच्या खूप जवळ राहतात. They have to face a threat of wild animals and they have to face a threat of wild animals. A house protects them from the wild animals too, and this house protects them from wild animals too. Now we all live in houses, but like us, do animals also need shelter? आपण सगळे घरात राहतो, पण आपल्यासारखे सगळ्या ॲनिमल्सला, सगळ्या बर्ड्सला पण शेल्टर लागतं का? Some animals do. So, some animals do build their shelters. They build shelters for themselves. Animals, they build shelter for them. There are two types in shelter. Some animals, they live in ready-made shelter, whereas some animals, they build their shelter for themselves. काही animals त्यांच्या नेचरमध्ये सराउंडिंगमध्ये सेफ प्लेस बघून तिथे राहतात, तर काही ॲनिमल्स स्वतःचं शेल्टर स्वतः बनवतात. दे बिल्ड शेल्टर फॉर themselves. Now, let us see what is the definition of shelter. So, some animals, see here, birds, they build their shelter for themselves and they live there. Now, let us see what is meant by shelter. Shelter, a safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from sun, rain, wind, etc. So, understood what the shelter mean? Shelter means a safe place where we are protected from any type of danger. So, a place where we are protected from sun, rain, wind, etc. Some animals find shelter in safe place in the environment. I told you some animals they build shelter for themselves, whereas some they find a safe place to live in the environment, like lion, rabbit. They all just find out a safe place and they live in. Rabbit make their own shelter. Animals who build shelters for themselves. Now some animals they build shelter for themselves. काही animals असे असतात ना जे स्वतःचं शेल्टर स्वतः बनवतात. Let us see. You must have seen bird's nest. You all have seen bird's nest? Yes, here in the picture also you are able to see bird's nest. Nests are shelters that birds build, and the nest are shelters that birds build. Nest हे काय आहे? बर्ड्सचं शेल्टर आहे. Okay, what is this? It is a shelter of bird. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs, and these birds, they are afraid of animals that eat their eggs. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. म्हणून बर्ड्सला एक सुरक्षित जागा पाहिजे असते त्यांच्या एग्ससाठी. Baby birds come out of the egg. Now you are able to see here baby bird. Baby bird, it comes out of the baby bird, it comes out of the egg. There are animals that eat these young birds, and in nature there are some animals who feed upon the other animal. So like snakes and some birds of prey, they go and hunt these small babies and young ones of the bird. So there are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves, and these young birds, they are so much weak, too weak that they can't defend themselves. म्हणजे हे बेबी इतके छोटे असतात आणि इतके कमकुवत असतात की ते स्वतःचं रक्षण नाही करू शकत. The nest keeps the young ones safe, and this nest, it keeps young ones सेफ. मग नेस्टचं काम काय आहे? नेस्ट काय करते? हे जे छोटे छोटे बेबीज असतात ना, यांना सेफ ठेवते. दॅट इज वाय बर्ड्स बिल्ड नेस्ट, अँड सो बर्ड्स बिल्ड नेस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट देअर एग्स अँड यंग वन्स फ्रॉम दिस animals. While building their nest, they use things like grass, straw, twigs to build their nest. And while building their house, they use grass. They use stick and twigs to build their nest. They use straw. They use things like grass, straw and twigs to build their nest. They may even use cotton, wool and pieces of threads and strings. So they may use cotton, wool. Why they use cotton? Why they use wool? You know, this cotton and wool make a nest soft and warm, and thread is used to stitch the nest. So they use cotton, wool and pieces of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside, and because of this cotton, it makes the nest soft and warm inside. But the nest of all birds are not all alike. But the nest of birds are not all alike. आपण बर्ड्सच्या नेस्ट पाहिल्या, पण सगळ्या नेस्ट सारख्या असतात का? नो. हिअर यू विल एबल टू सी द नेस्ट ऑफ स्पॅरो, whereas here you will able to see the nest of weaver bird, and here you are able to see the nest of tailor bird. So this is the nest of sparrow. ही कशाची नेस्ट आहे? स्पॅरो. So you can see here difference in three. Here you can see difference in three nests. This one is the nest of sparrow. This nest is a nest of weaver bird. And this nest is of tailor bird. Even these animals build shelter for themselves. हे असे ॲनिमल्स आहे की जे स्वतःचं शेल्टर स्वतः बनवतात. पण तरी पण बघा, प्रत्येकाची नेस्ट काय आहे, डिफरंट आहे. जसं आपण प्रत्येकाचं घर वेगळं वेगळं बनवतो, तसंच हे जे बर्ड्स असतात ते एका प्रकारचे बर्ड्स सगळे स्पॅरो कशी नेस्ट बनवतात, गोल नेस्ट बनवतात. सगळे वेवर बर्ड कशी नेस्ट बनवतात, सगळे वेवर बर्ड like this nest they make. And whereas tailor bird, it stitches the leaves and it makes its nest. Okay, look at the wayward bird. Now let us see at the wayward bird. So birds choose convenient place to build nest. So these birds, what they do, they choose a convenient म्हणजे त्यांना जी प्लेस सोयीस्कर असते ती प्लेस ती निवडतात. आपण आपल्या घरासाठी कशी आपल्याला कन्व्हिनियंट असेल ती प्लेस निवडतो, तसंच बर्ड चूज अ कन्व्हिनियन्स प्लेस टू बिल्ड देअर नेस्ट. लुक ॲट अ वेवर बर्ड. It chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. Now you all know weaver bird. सुगरण माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना. आणि ती काय करते, खोपा बांधते. तिच्या नेस्टला काय म्हणतात, खोपा. नाव दिस वेवर बर्ड, व्हॉट इट डू, सी weaver bird, she build here nest. Which kind of tree it choose? It choose a thorny tree, काटे असणारे झाड. And some branches hanging over the water. आणि त्या झाडाच्या फांद्या कशा असतात, त्या झाडाच्या फांद्या पाण्यावरती हँगिंग असतात. Here downside is water. So some branches are hanging over the water. It builds its nest on the highest of these branches. And where this bird build its nest? On the highest of these branches. म्हणजे ब्रांचेसच्या एकदम टोकाला, highest of its branches. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. And animals, those who eat eggs and young ones, find it very difficult to reach till the nest of weaver bird. Now we have seen everything about the weaver bird. Which type of nest does the weaver bird build? Where it build the nest? Which type of tree it choose? Now let us see about the tailor bird. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. You have seen tailor bird? You can see in the picture also. This tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. एका चिमणीपेक्षा पण छोटे असते. It selects a plant with bigger leaves. And this tailor bird select a plant. आता आपण जसं कन्व्हिनियंट प्लेस जसं चूज करतो, तसे बर्ड्सचे पण वेगळे वेगळे प्लेस असतात. मग टेलर बर्ड काय करतं, टेलर बर्ड कसं ट्री निवडतं, द ट्रीज विच हॅज बिगर लीव्स. And builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. And what it do? This tailor bird build its house by stitching leaves together. पानं एकत्र करून ते स्टिच करतं. So what is the name of the bird? Name of the bird is tailor bird. Why? Because it stitches leaves together and builds its house. While making it house, it uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. This little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird, and this little nest is quite big enough for this tailor bird to live, because this tailor bird is also so much small. Now, animals who build shelter for themselves, we have seen in that birds, they make different types of nest. We have seen the nest of sparrow, weaver bird, and which type of bird? Tailor bird. Now some insects also build their own house. Some insects they build their own shelter. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliff. So what they do? Honeybee they build their own shelter. फक्त काही ॲनिमल्स आणि बर्ड्सच नाही, पण काही इन्सेक्ट सुद्धा काय करतात? स्वतःचं घर स्वतः बनवतात. नाव हनीबी, यू ऑल हॅव सीन हनीबी. हनीबी what they do? They build their own shelter, which is called as honeycomb on the tree. Rats and mice live underground in fields, and whereas rat and mice where they live underground in the fields, जमिनीच्या खाली. They dig into the soil and make holes and burrows to live in. They dig the soil and make holes to live in that. Rats and mice also live in the areas where people live. And rat and mice, where they live? Where the people live. They come in our house. They live in our house. They destroy everything. Yes or no? Yes, I have explained you in the before lesson. They make holes in the walls or under the floor in houses. So what they do? They make holes in the walls or under the floor in houses. They make holes into the wall. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with the cement. What they do? Mostly they take the shelter in mud houses. मातीच्या घरामध्ये शक्यतो ते शेल्टर घेऊ शकतात. का बरं माहिती आहे? बिकॉज दे कांट dig into the cement construction. Let's see. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built in the cement, because it becomes quite difficult for them to dig under the cement construction. Now we have seen first point, that was animals who build shelter for themselves. Now let us see animals that find ready shelter in the surrounding. Some animals do not make any effort to build a shelter. Some animals, they don't make any effort to make their shelters. They simply look around for a safe place. Some doves and pigeons live in the forest. Some live in small hollows in the high cliff. So some of them, they live in the small hollow in the high cliffs. Some live in small hollow place, and some live near our houses. Whereas some of them, they live near our houses. There also they find a safe place. They find shelter in the gaps in walls. Tigers, leopards, hyenas live in caves. Cave is also ready-made shelter. Some types of bats live in tall trees, and some bats means, you know, last lesson I have explained everything about the bat. Bat means what? Waghur. They live in tall trees. Bird, some live in dark caverns in mountain, and some of them, they live in the dark caverns in mountain. Or they look for shelter in old deserted tumble down building, and some of them, they look for shelter in old deserted tumble down buildings, which are old building. There also they take their shelter. So this was all about the animals who find a ready-made shelter. Now what we have learned? Animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun, and rain. Some animals build their own shelters. Some animals look for ready shelter in their surroundings. We build shelters for the animals we keep. Let us see point always remember. It is right to keep animals in the cage for our pleasure? No. Let them live in their natural surrounding. Do you know? We believed that a cobra lives in an anthill. We all believe that the cobras live in anthill. So when the Nag Panchami is there, what we all do? We go to the anthill and we pray to the cobra. But that is not true. Ant hills are built by ants, not by a cobra. Ant hills are built by ant. कोबरा ने बिल्ड करत ant hill. कोण बिल्ड करतं? ant बिल्ड करतात. Cobras live in holes. And where the cobras live? He lives in holes. When people keep animals, they build shelter for them. And when the people keep animals, they build shelter for them. The shelter built for hens is called a chicken coop or hen house. Now these are again ready-made shelter. So these animals, they are not making any efforts to build their shelter. Dog also live in the ready-made shelter. Dog live in the kennel which is made by the human beings only. Whereas chicken coop is also made by the person who take care and who keep hen. And cow shed is built for the cow. Even the cow shed is made by human and it is a shelter for the cows. Cows are not making their own shelter. They live in the ready-made shelter. The shelter for a horse is called a stable. This all comes under the shelter which are ready-made shelter. They don't make any efforts to build their own shelter. This all are called as the ready-made shelter. Okay, my dear students, I think you understood everything about the animals' shelter. We'll meet again in the next lesson. Bye.